The huge legal corporate tussle between Amazon and Future Group after dragging in courts in Delhi High Court and Supreme Court as well as the Singapore Arbitration Centre has now spilled over to the Mumbai bench of the National Company Law Tribunal. The Mumbai bench of NCLT heard both sides today, but it is important to note that the actual hearing and the actual petition that was filed in Mumbai NCLT was by Future Group. It was to seek NCLT's approval to go ahead and hold meetings with shareholders as well as creditors to seek their nod on the consolidation that they have planned as part of the entire deal with Reliance Retail. Now, this plan includes that the 19 subsidiaries of Future Group will be consolidated into Future Enterprises. To do that, they wanted to seek shareholder approval and creditors approval, for which they need a go-ahead from NCLT. Now, this scheme of arrangement is the first step towards the entire deal with Reliance Retail after this consolidation goes through, and this was announced by Future Group back in August 2020 itself when the entire deal was announced, that once the consolidation goes through, they will be doing a slump sale of the retail, wholesale and logistics businesses to Reliance Retail. But today in court, when a Future Group moved NCLT, they were making their arguments and talking about their scheme of arrangement. Amazon also registered their objection against this approval as well as made arguments against why NCLT should not be giving these approvals to Future Group to go ahead. Now, both the sides largely made arguments which have already been made in the divisional bench of the Delhi High Court. Future Group cited the single judge bench order by the Delhi High Court, which said that the deal is valid, and this came after the order by the emergency arbitrator, and the SEBI as well as CCI nods came in after this judgment by Delhi High Court. So that was also cited by observed both by the NCLT and cited by Future Group in court today. Amazon, on the other hand, said that the Singapore emergency arbitrator in Singapore has said that Future Retail cannot go ahead with any step that is towards the deal with Reliance Retail. They had stayed the entire deal with Reliance Retail. So that is the argument that was made by Amazon, while Future Group said that, keeping in mind what the emergency arbitrator said, the Delhi High Court has said that the deal is valid and certain nods have come in. Very importantly, Future Group said that Future Group and NCLT both in fact said that there is no locus standi of Amazon in Future Retail while it has a stake in Future Coupons. So that was the argument that was made in court today. Now, also talking about the entire scheme of arrangement, the details that we have from Future Group today is that the shareholders of the 19 companies which will be merged into Future Enterprises will be getting shares of Future Enterprises. Not just that, the companies will be transferred with their assets as well as liabilities. So that is the entire scheme of arrangement, and after which the deal will go through. The Mumbai bench of NCLT has reserved their order on this entire issue, on giving the approval to Future Group to go ahead with the meetings with shareholders and creditors. They have asked both parties to make certain submissions on 15th of February, after which they will be passing the order.